Hello guys, welcome back to Internet Avail. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to upload videos on Facebook in just a few basic steps. But before you get into that, if you do love my videos and you find them educative, please just go ahead and make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss these kind of videos each and every time I have a new episode. So first thing first, open your Facebook account, and from here I want you to tap the menu section. You can see the menu section is right here where we have the three buttons, and as I said, I'll be showing you how you get to upload some videos on your page. So you need to, of course, to switch to which page you want to post. For that case, you can come to this page option, and you're going to see all your pages. You can see I have two pages. I have Internet Avail, Ink Effects, and you also have the Vumi .co.ke. So for now, I want us to get into Internet Avail, and I want to show you how exactly you can get to post a video here. So I get to come to what is on your mind tab right here, and you get to click that, and it's going to give you an option here. We have photos, we have photo stroke videos, live videos, check-in, background colors, filling and other activities, all those, but for our case we'll be focusing on the video section. So you get to click that video tab right there, and it's going to pop up, and it's going to take you to your gallery, whereby you're going to choose one of the videos that you want to upload. So for that case, you can see right now I'm just scrolling on my phone, and you can get to choose either a phone that is an image or either a video. But for this case, let's look into a video. You get to upload a video. So for that case, it's so easy. So from here, you'll need to go back and upload the title of the video, of course, so that to give a clear direction on what exactly the video is about, and of course get to create a pleasing and an enticing title, which is very, very important. So that's how you get to upload a video on Facebook. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and of course I'll be looking forward to seeing you in the next episode.